Okay, starting with numerical number 12. A system is taken to its final state from initial state. फाइनल स्टेट पे लेके गया सिस्टम को, इनिशियल स्टेट से स्टार्ट करके फाइनल स्टेट पे गया है. इन हाइपोथेटिकल पाथ्स, ये पाथ में उन लोग ने शो किया है. सपोज ए इज़ द इनिशियल स्टेट and A is only the final state. So they have started from A, then they have started from A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then their final stated again the initial state, and the path is shown in a hypothetical manner. Calculate the work done in each case. So here we will calculate the work done, like work done while going from A to B, then work done while going from B to C, then work done while going from C to D, then work done while going from D to A, because initial state, the initial position is A and the final position is also A, and the path from initial state to final state is shown in the form of hypothetical way. Okay, the formula for work done is pressure and change in volume. Your pressure is given in the form of Pascal, that is 10 raised to 5 Pascal, and your volume is given in liters. 1 liter is 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Now pressure and change in volume. Now while going from A to B, if you notice, pressure remains constant, that is 6, and the change in volume is final volume minus initial volume. Okay, we won't just write it 6, we will write it as 6 into 10 raised to 5. Final volume from A to B, so this is initial and this is final, from A to B. So final minus initial, final volume is 6, initial is 2. So 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So I'll write 4. Instead of liter, I'll take it in meter cube. So it will be 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So 6 4s are 24. 10 raised to 5 minus 10 raised to 3 is 10 raised to 2 joules. This is the work done while going from A to B. Now when you go from B to C, the formula will remain same, that is pressure into change in volume. But while going from B to C, there is no change in volume, volume remains same. So here there is no change in volume, means the work done is 0 in this case. Now for C to D, C is initial, D is final. And what about pressure? Pressure is 2 into 10 raised to 5. So pressure change in volume, pressure is 2 into 10 raised to 5. Change in volume will be final volume minus initial volume. So 2 into 10 raised to 5, final volume is 2 and initial is 6. So 2 minus 6 will give you minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. 2 4s are 8 and 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to minus 3 is 10 raised to 2. So minus 800 joules. So in this case, work done is negative because volume is decreasing. Volume is going from 6 to 2. So the work done is negative. Now again the formula will remain same. Now from D to A, there is change in pressure, but if you notice volume is same, that is 2. So again there is no change in volume, so work done in this case will also be 0. So this is how we have calculated the work done in each case.